Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you the best must-have Shopify apps to increase your sales in 2025. If you are running a Shopify store planning to start one, these apps will help you boost conversion, increase average order value, and keep your customer coming back for more. So grab a coffee, hit the like button, and let's dive into it. So first of all, we are going to talk about our first step. So if you want to access the store, you just need to go over here setting and then go to the apps and sales channel, and here you will get this button called Shopify app store. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, then here you will get the access of all your apps in here. So here I'm going to search our first app, that is Bio. This is on the greatest app. It is an email and SMS marketing app. So you just need to click over here and you will able to see their whole things. So if you're not using email marketing yet, you are leaving money on the table. Bio is still the best all-in-one tool for email and SMS marketing for Shopify 2025. You can see their video, their trial. This is the trailer. And with Klaviyo you can easily do send automated abandoned cart emails, then set up welcome sequence for new subscribers, send product recommendations and promotions. Also you can use SMS to reach your customer directly on their phones. It is integrated perfectly with Shopify, so all your customer data, order history and behavior sync automatically. More personalized is equal to more sales. You just need to remember this thing. The next app is another interesting app that's called Reconvert post purchase upsells. Let's search it, Reconvert and post purchase upsell. Let's hit enter and here you will get the apps. So let's find it out. Here you can see this one is the real app. So here you can see their work, what actually they do. So what kind of a thing you can do. Here is why this is important. Best time to sell again is right after someone's buy. Reconvert lets you create a custom thank you page that shows upsells, cross sells and special offers. For example, if someone buys a t-shirt, you can offer them a matching hat at a discount right on the other confirmation page. You can even add surveys, record buttons and birthday collection forms, all designed to increase your average order value. This is the opportunity you will get if you use Reconvert upsells. Also this has free plan available. You can go with that one, and you can see with the free one you can do this kind of a thing. Then let's talk about the new apps that's called Judge.me. So here you can see this is the Judge.me product review app. I hope you already understand what is the meaning of this app. So this app actually is a social proof of your website. People trust other people more than they trust ads. Judge.me make it easy for customer to leave text reviews, photo reviews and even video reviews. You can send automatic review request emails after delivery, show star rating on your product page and even display reviews in Google search result. It is affordable, super easy to use and help build trust, which means more sales in your website. Then let's talk about the fourth apps, that is, let's talk about that one. That's open Shopify app store first, then search it. So that one is frequently bought together. The spelling is FREQUENTLY bought. Here you can see this one, the app, and here you can find out the app for you frequently bought together. You can choose any of them from that list, both are the same. So it's totally depend on you. Let's go with this one, or you can go with that one built for Shopify. So let's go with this one. This has less review, that's why I choose this one. This app at Amazon style recommendation through your product page. So when someone looking at product, they see other items people often buy with it. For example, if you sell camera, you can show a bundle with a memory card and tripod. One click and all three go in the cart. This simple upsell can really boost your average order value, and it is set and forget once you configure your bundles. Now let's talk about the number 6 apps, that is push all. PUSHWOL. This is another web push notification. Like here you can see emails are great, but not everyone opens their inbox. Push all lets you send quick clickable messages straight for your customer's browser, even if they are not on your website. You can send them back in stock alerts, flash sales, or abandoned cart reminders. This is super easy to set up and it works on desktop and mobile browser, perfect for recovering sales you would otherwise. Then next one is Lucky Orange. So let's open our Shopify app store, and here you just need to search LUCKYORANGE orange, and here you will get to see the Lucky Orange hitmans and reply. So Lucky Orange a must have for understanding how people use your store. Lucky Orange shows your heat maps, visitors, recording, and live analytics, so you can see exactly where people click, scroll, or get stuck. This helps you find problems. Maybe your add to cart button is too far down, or people don't see your shipping info. With this data, you can fix issues fast and optimize your site for more conversations. Now let's talk about the last one apps, that is on-click social login. Let's search for on-click social login, and let's hit enter, and you will eventually get that app. So here let's find out where is the app social login. Yes, you can see that one sign in social login. So you just need to click over here. Once you click over here, then you will get eventual result. But the main thing is it is not free. It lets your customer log in or sign up with their Google, Facebook, or other social account instead of creating yet another password. Faster login means fewer abandoned carts and more repeat customers. People want ease, so give it to them. And let's talk about a quick recap for you guys. Those are my must-have Shopify apps to increase sales in 2025. First one is Calbio email and sales. Next one is Reconvert upsells. Third one is Judge Me or Looks reviews. Fourth one is frequently bought together bundles. Then next one is push all push notification, and then Lucky Orange heat maps, and last one is open click social login, easy login. And you can try a few, see what works for you and watch your sales grow or not. If this video helped you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.